Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to our last day of Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 12. Oh my gosh, this is so great. I'm feeling really successful now that I completed 12 days. It was really fun. It was something that I always wanted to do, and I'm so happy that I finally decided to do this year. I'm so happy that you guys decided to rock with me for these 12 days and for keeping me company. So as you guys just saw, I just stripped the settee, but I took the stuff off from last night, and like a while ago I just put them in the washing machine. And I did also strip the dining table as well and wash the tablecloth. So now I just need to iron it and put it back on the table. The last time I put it on there I did not iron it. I don't know if you guys saw in my previous videos, there were just some lines in it. But I bought a steam iron, like a steamer, a handheld steamer, because I just couldn't bother to put it over the ironing board. I'm gonna do an unboxing right now and show you guys the handheld steamer that I bought to steam the dining room curtains and also to steam the tablecloth. So now I'm gonna put some distilled water in the steamer and try it out on the curtain. How does this work? Okay, so you just kind of push this button up like this and then pull this out like this. Let me get a cup for it. I'm just looking at this because I'm not sure when I'm supposed to use this brush on it. So you just pull out this plastic thing out of it, plastic stopper. This is the distilled water that I'm using. It's really heavy. I need to pour it in this first. And I decided to show you guys this process because this is not only a steamer that you can use to steam your drapes or whatever. It's something you can also take on vacation with you to steam your clothes. So this is it right here. I just slide it in. You guys can see that the drapes are kind of crushed all over. I never ironed them since I washed them. So I'm just gonna do a part of it and show you guys. Can you guys see that? This thing heats up fast. Look, this is powerful. I'm afraid of it. Okay, so I turned it off because I watched a video on how to steam your drapes, and I said that you should always steam it from the back, just in case there's anything, you don't damage the drapes at the front. So you should always just steam them first at the back. I want you guys to see how it's looking, but I just don't know how to position the camera to give you guys the best angle. But right here it's looking a lot smoother already, and like I said, I only did it from the back, so there's a lot of steam coming off of it. But when I put it close to the fabric, it removes the wrinkles in just like one pass. But I was keeping it away from the fabric at first because I didn't want it to soil it or anything. think it looks really good. Like, I haven't done this side as yet. You guys can see the wrinkles here, but right here it's really nice. I also did a few passes at the front of it as well. I didn't do the bottom of it as yet. I like that you can just put it down like this to stand. Merry Christmas, darlings. It is the 24th of December, and like I shared with you guys in a previous video, today's the day that Germans celebrate Christmas. It's called Heiligabend in German. And now I'm all dressed and ready. We're going to be heading out now, going to my parents-in-law, and I'm just wearing this plain sweater top and these really plain nude pants. Still have my hair in one. I pulled out this plait because there was just a part that was just sticking out and it was annoying me, and I wanted to neaten it, and I did not get the chance to recurl it as yet, so I've just been wearing it as is until I get a chance to hot water it again. I know a few of you guys had requested that I do a video sharing my makeup routine and how I take care of my home and stuff like that, and I thought it would be better to not put it in these Vlogmas videos, because for my Vlogmas video I wanted to focus on content specific to Christmas, because I think these other videos I can do them pretty much anytime throughout the year. If you guys still want those videos or you have any other requests for me, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And I want to thank you guys so much for spending time with me for these Vlogmas videos. Like, you guys don't know how much fun it was for me. I've been just really busy trying to organize stuff for my little dinner, but it was totally fun and it was so worth it, and I'm really happy that you guys stuck with me. And if you guys enjoyed these Vlogmas videos and you want to see more vlogs from me, be sure to let me know in the comment section that I can think about that when I'm making more videos for the coming year. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all so much for spending the holidays with me, and I wish you all a blessed Christmas and a prosperous 2021. Oh, I need to do an unboxing with it. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this. This is really cute. Oopsie daisy. I gave broke up something before the night over. I want to open it, but I can't. I don't want it to spill.